Adana, the girl whose hair never stopped growing. You won't believe what lived inside it. She asked for beauty. Adana, the girl whose hair grew every minute and never stopped. Long hair was all she wanted. Then she embarked on the journey. Hair. It sprouted, first in gentle tufts, then in wild, dark waves. Thick strands pushed out from her skull like they'd been waiting for years. It grew past her ears, past her shoulders, down her back. She laughed, cried. Hair. Real, thick, beautiful hair. Her hair grew and grew and grew and never stopped growing. At first, Adana loved it. Forest Girl, the villagers mocked. Her name changed because the hairs on her head became a forest. Rats lived in them. The birds nested in her hairs. The logs found people in their homes entangled on anything. The legs of the playing children, around a sleeping dogs. Then people began to get mist inside her hair. Lived birds lived in her logs and make families. Rats tunneled through it. Children got tangled and never came back. Her house was swallowed. Then her street. Then her mind. She heard it whisper at night, "Feed us! You wanted this!" She tried to burn it. It laughed. She begged to give it back. Too late. The goddess had fed on Adana's beauty, on her body, on her soul. Now they say she walks at night, crowned in a forest of her own making, face gone, voice lost, but her hair still grows, waiting for the next girl who wants more. Be careful what you wish for, especially if it's hair. You just heard a tale from African Folktales. Like, share, and remember to look over your shoulder tonight.